Happy morning in London. So I just showered and now I'm gonna teach Luke how to make some French press coffee.
Good morning. So today Jess is going to show me how to do a French press coffee.
Step one, need to boil some water. I'm gonna put 2 spoonfuls. Yeah, 2 heapings. Just pour boiling water. I pour it almost up to the top, but you have to make space for the lid part here, and you wait 2 minutes. Just press.
Yeah, just the way I make instant coffee, but with a press.
It's not instant coffee. And all you do is pour it out.
I am going to subscribe online to the Blue Jays so that I can watch their games while I'm in Europe. Because they're doing so well, and I've never had a team that has been this good, really, in my whole life, actually. So
Really?
yeah, I know. They haven't made the playoffs since I was like 1. So
That's true, since 1993.
it's kind of sad. Stroman's pitching. He tore his ACL at the beginning of the year, so everyone thought he was done. And then somehow he came back. Because now no one knows how he's going to do. Yep, so just about to drink coffee.
How is it?
Honey, that's great. It's very good. It's excellent.
Hey guys, just thought you'd want to know what our neighborhood looks like. It's quite lovely, really quiet.
It's got a bit of a village feel to it.
Yeah.
Just a little bit.
Really peaceful. I like it a lot. Away from the city, but not too far. So we just came out of the station and we're going to the National Gallery.
Yep. Gonna go see some cool paintings, I hope. And there's no cost to it, from what I read.
Yeah, it's free, guys. I didn't even know.
Check out this that building right up there.
What building?
It's pretty big on the outside. So the inside is just the same.
Look, you guys, Yoda's floating.
This is Wow Control.
So this is the view from the National Gallery. Isn't it beautiful, guys? You can even see Big Ben from here.
Hey guys, so we're entering the Sainsbury wing right now.
Hi.
Hi, yes, that's right. It's a rather nice place in this place. In the National Gallery. Bit of an interesting painting here. I'm not sure what it is at the moment. Looks like Christ is crowning Mary into heaven, perhaps. Actually, the great thing about these is that they all have descriptions on the side. So apparently this one is of a Roman centurion who's found to be a Christian. As a result, they decided to crucify or kill him.
On our way to Soho, but we came across this. Well, it's actually this place right here, but they have a Cinnabon, and it's only, I don't know if you can see it, but 2 for £1. Jamie Oliver's Diner. So we thought we'd divert a little bit and go check out Chinatown. Walked into a place called Wasabi Sushi and Bento. Must be pretty popular because we see them everywhere. But look, they come in these boxes And also these are like 2-for-1 prices. They come like individually like that. So cute.
Being a little hungry.
It smells so good in here, guys.
Fries.
So we decided to eat at the Jamie Oliver. This is our food, just classic cheeseburger and fries, and it comes with coleslaw. Are you excited to eat?
Yeah, I'm so hungry right now. It's making me want to take this video and I just want to eat.
Alright. How is it?
Very flavorful.
Is it?
Yeah.
That's good.
How's the burger?
It's really good.
Why? Why is it really good?
It's really flavorful. It is really flavorful.
Yeah. See, I know my chef words.
Flavor.
Very basic of basics. I guess she doesn't know anything complicated.
So we're at station King's Cross, right? They actually have the wall. Isn't that funny?
So we just found we're just in the Harry Potter platform 9 3/4 store. We found some wands here. It's rather interesting. They've got it for different characters in the story. They got the Rufus Grimgor. This one here is the Mad-Eye Moody, the black one. Minerva, McGonagall, Luna Lovegood, they have a long bottom. Narcissa Malfoy, Death Eater, Death Eaters, Malfoys, even have remote control.